Title: Analyzing the Superiority of Karamouzi Africa's SBLC Method over Traditional Banks. Introduction. In today's global economy, effective banking solutions play a crucial role in facilitating international trade and commerce. While traditional banks have long been the dominant players in the financial sector, Karamouzi Africa International Banking Organization presents a compelling alternative with their innovative SBLC, Standby Letter of Credit method. This report aims to shed light on the superior advantages offered by Karamouzi Africa's banking approach, specifically through the utilization of SBLC banking documents based on funds within offshore forex brokerage accounts, connected to Tier 1 banks across 17 countries. 1. Enhanced financial security and reliability. Karamouzi Africa's SBLC banking documents offer a higher level of financial security and reliability compared to traditional banks. By operating through offshore forex brokerage accounts, funds are securely stored in reputable Tier 1 banks, such as Deutsche Bank, across multiple countries. This diversified approach minimizes the risk associated with relying solely on a single financial institution, offering clients enhanced protection against potential financial crises. 2. Enhanced liquidity and flexibility. Unlike traditional banks that often impose strict regulations and lengthy procedures, Karamouzi Africa's SBLC method allows for greater liquidity and flexibility. Clients can access their funds more efficiently as the SBLC system is designed to expedite transactions and eliminate unnecessary delays. This increased liquidity enables businesses to seize opportunities promptly, enhancing their competitive edge in the market. 3. Broad international network. Karamouzi Africa's SBLC method leverages an extensive network of Tier 1 banks in over 17 countries, providing clients with unprecedented access to international markets. Through these strategic partnerships, Karamouzi Africa enables businesses to tap into thriving economies globally, opening doors to new trade opportunities and facilitating smooth cross-border transactions. This international presence sets them apart from traditional banks that often lack the same breadth of global relationships. 4. Cost-effectiveness and fee transparency. By offering SBLC banking documents, Karamouzi Africa demonstrates a commitment to delivering cost-effective solutions to its clients. Traditional banks typically burden customers with numerous fees and charges, which can significantly impact profit margins. Conversely, Karamouzi Africa's transparent fee structure ensures that clients have a clear understanding of the cost involved, fostering a long-term and mutually beneficial banking relationship. 5. Technological advancements. Karamouzi Africa's SBLC method reflects the organization's dedication to adopting and leveraging the latest technological advancements in the banking sector. With a sophisticated digital infrastructure, Karamouzi Africa streamlines banking processes, enhances security measures, and provides clients with user-friendly interfaces for seamless transactions. This technological edge enables clients to manage their accounts, monitor financial movements, and access SBLC documents effortlessly. Conclusion. In conclusion, Karamouzi Africa International Banking Organization's SBLC method presents a superior alternative to traditional banks. By basing their banking documents on funds within offshore forex brokerage accounts connected to Tier 1 banks across 17 countries, Karamouzi Africa offers enhanced financial security, liquidity, flexibility, and cost-effectiveness. Moreover, their broad international network and commitment to technological advancements further strengthen their position in the banking industry. As businesses seek more efficient and innovative banking solutions, Karamouzi Africa's SBLC method emerges as the frontrunner, challenging the supremacy of traditional banks. Title: The GLUCX by Karamouzi. Africa, Revolutionizing Sustainable Trade and Financing. 1. Introduction. The GLUCX, or GLU Carbon Exchange, developed by Karamouzi Africa, represents a groundbreaking tokenized carbon credit exchange and mint. With its unmatched capabilities, the GLUCX has emerged as a superior trade platform that addresses critical environmental concerns outlined by the UN Sustainable Global Developments. Moreover, it provides organizations with an opportunity to diversify their collateral when transacting with international banks and lenders. By leveraging carbon credits as collateral, Karamouzi Africa's exchange outperforms traditional banking institutions, which lack access to such a unique and powerful financial instrument. 2. The GLUCX, pioneering environmental sustainability. The GLUCX is committed to advancing environmental sustainability by facilitating the trade of carbon credits. Carbon credits enable businesses and organizations to offset their carbon emissions by supporting projects that reduce greenhouse gas emissions elsewhere. By establishing a secure and efficient platform for buying and selling carbon credits, Karamouzi Africa has enabled businesses to actively participate in combating climate change while aligning with UN's Sustainable Global Developments. 3. Enhanced collateralization opportunities. Recognizing the growing acceptance of carbon credits as collateral for loans, Karamouzi Africa's GLUCX introduces a unique advantage for organizations in need of financing. By tokenizing carbon credits and offering them as collateral, the GLUCX diversified collateralization options beyond traditional assets. This innovation revolutionizes the way organizations can approach financing, shifting from conventional collateral to more sustainable and impactful options. 4. Banks embracing change. The GLUCX has emerged at a crucial time when banks are increasingly recognizing the value of carbon credits as collateral. Traditional banks that lack access to an exchange like Karamouzi Africa are left at a disadvantage, unable to explore the myriad benefits associated with carbon credit collateralization. By being the first tokenized carbon exchange in Africa, Karamouzi Africa capitalizes on the opportunity to empower banking institutions to facilitate green financing while broadening financial inclusion across the region. 5. Benefits for organizations and the environment. The GLUCX's superior trade platform establishes win-win scenarios for organizations and the environment. Firstly, organizations can secure loans and financing more easily by pledging carbon credits as collateral. This enables them to unlock valuable capital while simultaneously contributing to sustainability objectives. Secondly, with more organizations adopting carbon credit collateralization, the GLUCX propels the transition to a low-carbon economy by incentivizing businesses to actively reduce their carbon footprints. 6. Conclusion. The GLUCX by Karamouzi Africa has revolutionized sustainable trade and financing by offering a tokenized carbon credit exchange and mint. By facilitating the trade of carbon credits, the GLUCX enables companies to proactively combat climate change while aligning with UN's Sustainable Global Developments. Additionally, it diversifies collateralization options for organizations, allowing them to access loans and financing with unprecedented ease. As banks increasingly accept carbon credits as collateral, Karamouzi Africa's pioneering platform empowers banking institutions throughout Africa to embrace green financing. In conclusion, the GLUCX represents a game-changing innovation that brings us one step closer to a sustainable and inclusive global economy